Welcome to BlizzardCon 2011. That's where I said, basically that this is considered BlizzardCon. And I know that Kitty Anderson made a video too saying about her BlizzardCon, and this is mine. You can see it perfectly well in the background. So yeah, this is my BlizzardCon. Like, if I can see you guys, I'm on my laptop recording this, by the way. Long light. Sorry. This is my BlizzardCon. I am in socks, so I am not going in there. BlizzardCon. Let's just see what outside the other thing is. Oh, in the front. Damn it, wrong light again. Oh yeah, for you guys watching this, and you guys are my weekend viewers, I'm kind of taking a break on the weekend videos until, like, my house is in order. But let's see the rest in this BlizzardCon. BlizzardCon! And there's a Jen. A very sick Jen. BlizzardCon, it sucks, I know. Nothing. You guys probably can't see crap because it's outside and can't really see. But like the snow is very kind of deep. And I have no school tomorrow too, so lucky me. So I can't wait for having my snow day. Me and Chrissy might go and sled and stuff. So I can't wait for that. Oh, this is really weird. This is a weird position. So this is my BlizzardCon. How about yours? Alright, see you guys. And go BlizzardCon 2011 for having us have no school or work. See you guys.